In today's video, I'll teach you how to change email in Grab. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Grab application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. In this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now in the section for general, you'll be able to find the option for settings at second. Simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for security, you'll be able to find the option for account security. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the account security interface. You'll be able to find the authentication methods over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for email address. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to change the email address. For that, tap on the field of email address. Now what you have to do is erase the initial email address. Now enter the new email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you do that, tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here a verification link will be sent to your email. What you have to do is simply launch open Gmail. Open the Gmail application. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Grab has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the verification link. Simply tap on this button, verify email address. Now you can see over here your email address will be verified. Now you can go back to the Grab application. Now after you do that, you can see over here your email address will be changed. So that is how you change email in Grab. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.